Hi, I know you have many questions in your mind related Smart Abacus teacher training. What is it? What is this training include? How you are going to learn? What are the topics I am going to cover? Can I do job after this? And so many questions. So what I have done, I have created list of 21 questions. Those are frequently and more asked questions, and I am going to give you the answer of all these questions in this video. If in case your question is not in the 21 in the list of 21 questions, then you can mail me separately at bhaveshubhada366@gmail.com. Okay, so let's get started with the questions. Watch this video till end and you will get clear idea, you will get clarity about Smart Abacus teacher training. So let's begin. Here is the first question. Is this live training or recorded training? So I am going to share the screen. This is recorded training. Once you register for the training, you will receive a portal link. You will receive a link where all these technique videos are there. And these technique videos, this complete training will be with you for lifetime. There is no end period for this. So even if you complete whole course in 1 month and after 1 year, if you want to see those training videos again, you can do that. If I update the training, you will get that updated videos in that same portal, in that same link. It will not change. Yes, it is going to be recorded training, but if you enroll for Smart Abacus teacher training, you can interact with me live on every Thursday 7:30 p.m. So we have Thursday learning session where we learn so many things other than abacus techniques, but related your coaching business, related your abacus coaching business. So next question, what if I don't understand? How can I ask questions in that recorded video if I don't understand any particular technique? So how do I interact? How do I ask questions? Here I would like to clear one thing. I have around 12 years of experience as a teacher and trainer. So I have I have done my best to clear all the queries in that video. So these are the videos where I have assumed you are in front of me based on my past experience. What kind of questions you can ask, based on that I have created those videos. Apart from this, if you find any doubt, if you have any doubt, if you have any question, you can ask those questions in the discussion forum of that link on the portal. So there is a discussion forum where you have to upload your homeworks, you have to upload your worksheets. You can also ask questions. Other than this, you can also ask your technical questions in Thursday learning session. You need not to keep any fear about asking questions. You can ask any question related to your techniques in the discussion forum or in Thursday learning session. The next question is, what is there in the course? In this course, I have covered introduction of abacus, basic addition subtraction, advanced addition subtraction. There are 3 different concepts: big friend, small friend, cousin friend, covered all in detail. Then multiplication, 2-digit by single digit multiplication, 2-digit by 2-digit multiplication, 2-digit by 3-digit multiplication, and higher multiplication as well. Then division, basic division and advanced division. Then table making, how to do negative numbers addition subtraction. We are also going to cover decimal numbers multiplication and division, decimal numbers addition and subtraction. We are updating more in this training, so all these techniques are covered. These techniques are the syllabus of almost 8 to 10 levels of abacus coaching. So the next question is there any examination once you complete this training? Yes, there will be examination. Once you complete the course, you have to mail us. We will have one-on-one live examination. Once you clear that exam presentation, you will receive the certificate of Smart Abacus teachers training. Will I get certificate after completion of the training? Yes, you will get certificate once you complete, once you learn all techniques, and once you appear for the exam, you clear the exam. Then after that you will receive the certificate. Does this certificate valid if I want to go for a job? Actually, for the certification, any certificate related abacus, I cannot decide the validity, because that validity depends on the institution which is providing you job. You can use this certificate just as an acknowledgement that you have completed, attended this training properly, professionally, and it is totally depend on the validity is totally depend on the institution which is going to provide you the job, or which going to give you opportunity as a abacus teacher. Can I do job after abacus teacher training? After this smart abacus teacher training, of course you can do this job as a abacus teacher anywhere there is requirement, but still I would suggest after this training you are actually eligible to start your own abacus coaching business. So keep your mindset like this, that you will provide job to others. Instead of going for a job, you can actually build your abacus coaching business. So, but the answer of the question is yes, of course you can do the job. It's totally depend on how much you improve your skills. So the next question is, how can I get students once I complete this training? This smart abacus teacher training includes different training programs. Yes, there are around 5 to 6 different training programs which help you to work on your skill, to get students, to connect with parents, to connect with students, how to handle your inquiries effectively, how to conduct workshop, how to conduct seminars. All these things are covered in different training programs which are actually you are getting with the smart abacus teacher training. So with the help of those training program, you can build your skills to connect with parents and students, and that will help you to start your batch. Actually, that will help you to get more students enrollment for your abacus class. So the answer of this question is, how can I get students after the training? Once you start applying the techniques I have given, once you start applying the content and the frameworks I have given, you will get student. But that is totally depend on your hard work, your skills. The next question is, if I get students, how can I give them certificate? How can I certify students? And the answer of this question is, to certify students, to provide them certification, you will have to create a institute. You will have to create a company, either it is proprietorship or private limited, it's up to you. But in one of my course, business checklist, abacus coaching business checklist, I have given you all details how you can how you can start up with your abacus coaching business. In that complete course, you will get an idea how you can provide certificate. But to provide certificate to your students, you will have to create institute. Example, your name, abacus class, or as this is Kids Intelligence. So we run our abacus coaching for kids under Kids Intelligence, and so that we can provide them certificate. So you can check my other programs. In that I have given you complete detail how to start up with your abacus coaching business. So the next question is it compulsory to take a franchisee from you once you franchisee from us once you complete the training program? And the answer is no, absolutely not. There is no compulsion for this training program that you have completed this training program, it means you have to take franchisee. It is not like that. We do not have franchisee model as such. We work on teachers, actually teachers quality and teachers skills. So there is no franchisee model, and you don't have to take any franchisee from us. So the answer is no, it is not compulsory. The next question is, do I have to provide you share for every student I enrolled? And the answer is no. If you are doing it at your own, with your own name and brand, you do not have to provide us any share. If in case you decide to associate with Kids Intelligence, then this profit sharing and other criterias will be discussed with you. But in case After training, if you are starting your own business, it's totally yours. It's your hard work, it's your skills, and it's completely yours. The next question is, do you also provide students support? As I told you, yes, we do provide students support to the people who are associated with Kids Intelligence. But in case if you start at your own, we will not give you direct support for students, but the courses which are along with this Smart Abacus teacher training program, all those courses will really help you to get students and get support for to increase your students, the batch. The next question is, are these training videos downloadable? And the answer is no, these training videos are not downloadable because strictly avoid misusing of this knowledge, and for that you will get it on the portal. You require internet, but it is not downloadable and it is lifetime access. So you can access this anytime from anywhere with the help of internet. The next question is, what if I enroll now but cannot start learning now? So that is absolutely fine. If you enroll now, you have the course, you can access it anytime. It has no time limit, so you can access it anywhere. Suppose you have now some other priorities, but you want this course in this particular price, then you can just enroll, you can have the access, and you can watch this next year, maybe next to next year, anytime. What about training study material? On this particular portal, all training material, worksheets and the books, manuals have already uploaded in the form of soft copy, in the form of PDF files. So you can download it, you can actually solve those worksheets. If you want, you can print it, or you can just check the questions and write answers in your notebook. I have explained it in video. And this is Smart Abacus Teachers Training. So you require this Abacus tool, and once you register, once you enroll, very next day we will ship this Abacus tool to your given address. So we will ship you this Abacus tool for practice. Other study material you will get it in soft copy. Next question is, how do I practice it? How do I practice it? Will you provide me the Abacus tool? Yes, of course, we are going to provide you this Abacus tool. As I answered my last question, we are going to provide you Abacus tool so that you can practice it. The next question is that, I'm not good at maths. Still, can I learn this Abacus? Yes, the answer is yes, you can learn Abacus, because to learn Abacus, you just need to have these two hands, fingers, and the basic understanding of numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Only these numbers. If you are clear with these numbers, you can actually do Abacus. You can actually learn Abacus. It is not so difficult, and I give you this assurance, when you are with me for Abacus, then you just have to follow the steps and you just have to completely surrender to Abacus and practice it. You will be able to do this. That is for sure. The next question is, how much we can charge from students? So I'm going to explain you the complete student structure. Then Abacus course, one level is for 3 months. So so there are total 8 to 10 levels. You can design and decide your curriculum. To design and decide your curriculum, you can access my different course which is already there with Smart Abacus Teacher Training, and that course is curriculum designing course. So in that course, curriculum designing course, you will understand how to design worksheets and study material completely. But now let us focus on the course. So there are total 8 to 10 levels, 3 months for each level. You have to conduct batch once a week. If you are going to take offline, that will be for 2 hours, and online you can have it for 1 hour, maximum for 1 hour. So 3 months for one level. For those 3 months you can charge 3,000 or minimum 2,500 to 3,500. So on an average you can charge 3,000 rupees per level. There are different structures based on the location, based on your skills, your confidence level, but I can assure you, if you follow my strategy of Abacus coaching, then you can definitely charge 3,000, because we use different formulas, we use different steps, flow charts. So if you are going to follow all these things, you can give result to your students, and for that you can charge 3,000 rupees per level. And if you want any registration fee, that will be extra. That should be maximum 1,000 rupees, minimum 500 to maximum 1,000 rupees you can charge as a registration fee, one time fee, where you can provide them the tools and all. So this is how you can calculate number of students you can have after the training, and just come to your break-even point. Do this rough calculation and come to your break-even point, and then you can decide. So what is actually involved in this Smart Abacus teacher training program? This, as I told you, the techniques which are there in Smart Abacus teacher training. Apart from this one training, you are going to get 1 hour training of how to handle inquiries. This is also recorded training, how to handle, how to actually talk to, how to ask questions effectively to parents, how to deal with this. And the second is the blueprint for successful self-employed teachers. So what are the, how to find your different beliefs about parent, about business, about yourself, and how to deal with those beliefs. That 1 hour, again 1.5 hour training is there. Then one training program, complete training program is there, 3 days training program, where you can learn to design your system, successful Abacus coaching business system. That is one training, one program is there with this Smart Abacus teacher training. Then design your curriculum, which will help you to actually create worksheets, design curriculums. We have also given you different options over there. If you want directly, if you want to order study material, if you do not want to create your own study material, and if you want ready study material, Abacus tool, you can directly ask these supports from us, and how explained in that particular course stepwise. And the next course is Abacus coaching business checklist, where you will understand what are the things you have to keep ready to start up your Abacus coaching business system. Apart from this, you are also going to get Thursday learning sessions, all recording of all Thursday learning sessions which we have, which are from starting of this session, and so you are not going to miss anything on this. So all these 6 different programs plus Smart Abacus teacher training, where each and every technique is there in detail. It is not just I have touched up to the concept. We have solved practice sums and everything is there. So all this package is included. I call it as a learning bundle. So you are going to get all this learning bundle in this. Now the next question is, for any support, where can we connect? Yes, you can connect with me in Thursday learning session, in my Facebook community, WhatsApp group, or you can mail us at admin@kidsintelligence.com or bhaveshubhada366@gmail.com. So I hope I have covered almost all questions in your mind. If you have any questions, do let me know. And if you are clear with this, take action. Click on this link below and check the current cost to enter into my inner learning circle, where you are going to get a lot of learning with all these learning bundle. So wish you very all the best for your future. Thank you so much. See you soon in Thursday learning session. Take care.